Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today I'm breaking down the Netflix app, what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. Netflix is a streaming app with thousands of movies, series, documentaries and mobile games. Watch on phones, tablets, smart TVs, laptops, pretty much anywhere. It is a paid subscription with different plans, lets you make profiles for each person, supports downloads for offline viewing and has subtitles, audio languages and keeps save profiles. Now let's get into how to use it. To do that, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So type Netflix on your search bar at the top of your page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that. Then you'll have the install button right there. So tap on install and open up your app. Once opened up, sign in with your Netflix email, password or start a new membership. If prompted, create profiles. On the profile screen, tap your name. To add one, tap add profile, choose an icon, name it and toggle kids if you want parental filters. Now inside the app, explore the home screen, scroll rows like trending, top 10, new and popular, and because you watch, tap a title to open its page, cast and episodes. Then to search for specific dramas or movies, tap the search icon at top of the page, then type a title, actor or genre, example heist, K-drama, true crime. Use category rows to discover similar content. On any title page, tap on my list icon. This saves it to your personal list so you can find it quickly from the My Netflix or Profile tab. You can also play and use player controls. Hit play while watching, pause play, scrub the timeline or skip to the next episode. Tap skip intro or recap when available. Tap the dialogue or CC icon to change audio and subtitle. On mobile, you can adjust playback speed and lock the screen to avoid accidental taps. Now to download for offline viewing, on a title page, tap download, down arrow. Then for series, you can download episodes individually. Go to downloads tab, tap smart downloads to auto remove watched episodes and auto download the next. Then in the app settings, you can choose video quality, pick standard, small file or high better quality. You can also choose Wi-Fi or only cellular streaming. Then you can choose standard or high for video quality, and you can also turn on alerts new releases. Then tap on your profile icon and tap on account to change plans, update payment, manage profile and parental controls, set maturity ratings and profile locks with pin. And that is all about the Netflix app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any question. Thank you for watching. Bye.